So we already discussed hard window coverings, wood blinds, faux wood blinds, shutters, etc. The other question we get asked a lot at One Stop Decorating is about soft window coverings and what are soft window coverings. And it's a pretty easy classification. Soft window coverings really are anything that's made of a fabric or a woven material. And what's really unique about that is there are a lot of different fabrics, textures, and styles, as well as types of shades. Most of your fabric shades are made of a fabric material that you typically can't see through, but does filter light in. Now, you have optional things like room darkening liners or lighter variations, which would be sheer fabrics you can see through. But really, if we want to subcategorize soft window coverings as fabric window coverings into two different categories, we would have something that would be like an operable shade that would raise up or lower, which would be kind of more like a light switch. You turn it on if you want light, you turn it off if you want it dark. These shades you either raise if you want to see and you want light through, or you lower if you want privacy or darkness. However, there's also soft shadings that are considered hybrids of the two, more like the style of a slatted blind, but they're actually made out of material. We do many banded, zebra, or transitional shadings that are actually alternating bands of fabric that are sheer and semi-opaque that allow you to adjust the level of light and visibility through them with the use of a cord or motorization or automation. We also have what are called sheer shadings, and they exactly mimic what a wood blind is or a faux wood blind, but they actually feature shears between the slats that give you casual daytime privacy and also ultraviolet light control, which those slatted products in hard window coverings don't typically provide. So many examples of a soft window covering might be a Roman shade, a sheer shading, a screen shade, a roller shade, a honeycomb style shade. Those are many of the ones that people look at, and there are even new ones that are coming out that are tiltable, operable Roman shades like the Hunter Douglas Pirouette, or modern Roman shades that give you a Roman shade look that act more like a roller shade like the Hunter Douglas Vignette, and new engineered proprietary products like the Hunter Douglas Sonnet, which is actually a cellular roller shade giving you the benefit and energy efficiency of a honeycomb shade, but with the overall modern look and aesthetic of a roller shade, all in beautiful fabrics that will either darken your room or allow light to filter through.